Dear customers, this is our new product, Eg001 Gamepad. Eg001 Gamepad supports Android, Windows, and iOS platform. Also can be used on PC and support updating program by USB port on PC. Eg001 Gamepad to be used on device with Android 3.2. Let me introduce you our 16 keys here. First is the two rockers on the left and right. Then is the direction keys. Then is the function keys. Then on the back there are 4 keys here. Okay. On the bottom here is a USB port. You could charge it from this port. It needs 1 or 2 hours to charge it, and you could use it continuously 35 hours. Then on the top, this is the bracket. You could put your mobile phone here. How to use it? Please first come into our website, Eg001 Gamer. Now you can see here, Eg001 APK. Please download it and install. After your installation, you will see this Eg001 icon on your mobile phone. Then please go into it. Then you will find many games here. You could download the games here, then play games here. You could use our gamepad to play the games from our APK. Also could play games from other Android platform. Now, how to play games on our APK?
Select your player. Select match.
Okay, this is the game from other Android platform. Excellent gaming experience, right? Okay, thanks for your support. Any question, please send email to our sales.